Hi, my name is Mark Morovich, owner of ErosionControlBlanket.com, manufacturers of the 16-foot wide erosion control blanket. In my hand is our rifle M100, another time-saving tool used on erosion control sites to get your blanket down fast. Let me demonstrate how this tool works. First, we want to pull back our sliding bar and stick in our cartridge staples 100 in the magazine at a time, thus saving you having to carry them all in your hands. Once they're in and in place and locked and loaded, you can go on to the site. Here at Shasta College, at this training facility, we have various types of blankets and slopes, and let me demonstrate to you how this gun works.
However you want to do it. Mark, they're ahead of you. Oh, you guys, he's passing you up. Come on. We can't let this Canadian beat us here. This is Shasta College. Little class spirit here.
We're not the pride of Shasta.
Oh, no. It's this Canadian ingenuity and know-how. Oh, he's missing it. Okay, you got a chance to catch up here. Oh. Wait, you got a chance. You guys got a chance. All right. Come on, team.
Did they put in 100 staples?
Darn near.
I'm close. We're out of staples.
Oh, Mikey hit a rock.
That's all right. Just pound it in.
Sure got tough ground here in California, John.
Yeah, we don't fool around. You need a reload?
Now let's count the staples.
All right.
Tell you what, you give me that gun for 30 seconds and then we'll count the staples.